Hey, welcome back. So, this video is going to be about the charging station which I have made for both of my EVs. One is the simple one and the other one is the B6. So, uske liye kya kiya hai, all of that I will show you in depth over here. So, let's get started. So, this is the charging station of my EV vehicles, the B6 and the simple one. Now, what exactly this is? There are many things over here. So, I will start with one part. Now, this one, the black wire which you see, this is the B6's 3.3 kilowatt ka portable charger. Okay, I have removed it and kept it here on the wall. Now, you may ask, where is the charger? This is just a roll of wire. Okay, the main charger is inside this box. Okay, if you see, ये वायर यहाँ से यहाँ गया है, इसके अंदर से it's coming out and this is the loop. So I found this box. Okay, basically this is a charger enclosure for EV scooters. Especially this was made for the Ola. Okay, this thickness was double. It was this much. I have cut it down to half, just enough so that the B6's charger fits inside. Otherwise it would have come so out, double the size. This is around 3 inches, so 6 inches bahar aata, then it would have disturbed and it was waste. So then this was mostly custom made. So this is related to the B6 ka charger. Now the simple one's charger, I always carry it in the boot. So whenever I need, I just remove it, plug it here and plug it in the bike and get the bike charged. But I will explain you mainly about what this thing is. So this is our ghar ka meter. Okay, we have kept it next to that only. So वो direct instead of getting the wire from inside the house to outside, यहाँ से meter से direct लिया है. Okay, so it comes out from the meter, it goes inside this. Now this is a smart box. यहाँ पे there are two things: smart MCB, okay, and a digital meter. Now this smart MCB is of 63 amps and this is a display which tells each how much watt energy I'm consuming, how many units have been consumed, what is the voltage which the meter is receiving, what is the amps, what is the frequency, everything. So before using this MCB, right, I was using a smart relay behind the box, okay, just for my simple one charger, which is this. So I could just set the timer and uske hisab se my bike would charge and then automatically this button would just turn off so that the battery doesn't overcharge. But after that I found this, which is a smart MCB, which is just like this Wi-Fi connection. If you see over here, this is 63 amps ka. Now it is on and now if I press it, it is off. I can change the settings of this particular switch MCB, what it does, how it performs, everything. Light, I can turn it off, everything. There's a dedicated app which I will show you later. Now coming down from here, the supply goes to both of these 16 amp sockets. Now if you see, both are 16 amp socket, but the MCB voltages, the load is different. This is a 32 amp ka MCB, this is a 20 amp. So 32 specially kept for the B6 ka charger. Okay, it is connected and it is off. This one I've kept it for my simple one. Okay, just kept a higher MCB so that kuch bhi zyada hai load, it just turns off, trips immediately. So now I'll show you the app, what app this smart MCB uses and how it performs. Basically I can set timers, I can set sunrise sunset timers, I can schedule the on and off of this MCB, then countdown timer, stopwatch, everything. I can even set the current, the amps, high voltage, low voltage, under voltage. If anything happens with these criterias, I can just adjust those and automatically it will turn off. There are many settings. It even shows me the units, how many units have been consumed. So when I got this MCB, right, I then realized this display was actually not required, but that's fine. So this is the app. It is called the Smart Life. So for the first one, EV vehicles, I have named it the MCB. So here we can check everything, the total units consumed, Then this is the on and off switch. Then here total electricity or the units we consume today, power, voltage, current, everything. Now in electricity it will tell you with respect to the graph कितने units consume किए day wise as well as month as well as year, everything. Then coming back, यहाँ पे is the time. I can set timers different schedule, sunrise, sunset, or cycle. It will be just like after some time it will turn off, it will turn and off, on and off after some time. ऐसे. Then settings में जाएंगे. Here is the countdown timer. This is separate. Then relay status. If it remembers what was the previous state of the MCB, was it on or off? Then the light mode, I can keep it on or keep it off, which I just showed. Maintenance lock is basically like if there is some maintenance work you're doing with respect to the devices connected to that MCB, you can turn this on. Then nothing will happen. You won't be able to use the socket which is connected to that particular MCB. Logs is basically how many times you turned it on and off every day. It tells you that. Alarm, it shows settings, it shows everything. Alarm settings is what I told you. If we can adjust the high power alarm, the under or over voltage, everything. So from here we can just turn it on and the MCB has turned on. We get an notification like this. So that's how very convenient it is. That's how I charge my EVs. So this was most asked question by my viewers, my subscribers. Hope this has answered your question, and hope this video was informative. I'll make sure I attach all of the products which I've used here in the description, so you can go check the description and buy the products which I have used. And so hopefully this video was informative for you guys. Hope you like this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for many more videos which are coming very soon. So till then, see you. Ride safe, drive safe. See you in the next one.